Hi, my name is Nur Syafiqah Shasha binti Muhammad Nordin, and my role for this podcast as the Minister of Education.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Syawafi Azfari Muazzah, and my role on this podcast as a host.
Hello, I'm Nur Nazira binti Muhammad Nazri. My role for this podcast is teacher.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Edutainment Rooms. I am your host, Wafi, and today we are diving into a topic that's becoming really important in education, artificial intelligence or AI in the classroom. AI has huge potential to support learning, but it also raises some important questions. How much should teachers rely on it? Could it affect student critical thinking? And what about the role of teachers themselves? To help us explore this question, we have two amazing guests, Teacher Nazira, an innovative teacher who always looking for new ways to engage students, and Mrs. Shasha, our honorable Mrs. of Education, who we share insight from a national perspective. Let's get started with our first topic. Teacher Nazira, in your opinion, should teachers in Malaysia rely on AI in the classroom? Where should we draw the line between support and dependence?
Thank you, Wafi, for having me for today's episode. So, for the first questions, should teachers in Malaysia rely on AI in classrooms? In my opinion, AI can help teachers create lessons that are more interesting and interactive compared to traditional chalk and chalk methods. In many classrooms, students can lose focus easily if the lesson is only based on listening and copying notes. With AI, learning becomes more active and enjoyable. For example, interactive quizzes like Kahoot or Quizzes powered by AI can turn revision into a fun competition. Students stay alert because they are answering questions in real time instead of just reading from a textbook. Other than that, educational videos and animations can explain difficult topics more clearly. Subjects like science, history, or geography become easier to understand when students can actually see process, events, or diagrams rather than only imagining them. Furthermore, simulations and virtual learning tools allow students to experience things that are impossible in a normal classroom. For instance, AI-based simulations can let students conduct virtual science experiments safely or explore places like outer space or historical sites. However, one major disadvantage of using AI in classrooms is that it can increase unethical behavior such as cheating and plagiarism among students because AI tools can generate full answers instantly. Some students may misuse them instead of doing their own work. For example, students can copy AI-generated essays or homework without understanding the topic. This becomes a form of plagiarism because the work is not truly their own. Assignments lose their learning purpose when students rely on AI to complete tasks. Instead of improving writing skills, problem solving, or critical thinking, students may simply submit AI answers for marks. Cheating during assessment is also become easier. Some students may secretly use AI ads to get answers during online tests or take-home exams.
I completely agree that AI can make lesson more interactive and enjoyable. Tools like AI-powered quiz animation and simulation really help students understand the difficult topic and stay engaged. Thank you, Teacher Nazira. That's very insightful. Mrs. Shasha, what's your perspective on this?
Thank you for the question, Wafi. Firstly, teachers in Malaysia should not rely entirely on AI in classrooms. AI is a support tool, not a replacement. Teachers remain the core of education, shaping students' values, thinking, and character. Beyond delivering content, teachers understand students' emotion, cultural backgrounds, and learning needs, something that AI cannot fully replicate. Teachers also model ethics, empathy, and discipline through real human interaction. In addition, education is not only about information, but about guidance, encouragement, and trust. These human elements are essential in nurturing responsible, confident, and morally grounded students.
I agree that teachers are the heart of education. AI can support lesson planning, but it cannot understand student emotion, cultural background, or individual learning needs. Teacher guide, motivate, and inspire students in way AI simply cannot. Thank you so much, Mr. Shasha, for sharing that perspective. Let's move on to the impact on students. Could AI actually harm student learning? What are the risks, especially regarding critical thinking, independent learning, and Teacher Nazira? Let's hear from you first.
Thank you. That's a good question. One major harm of AI in education is that students may become overly dependent on it. When AI tools can instantly provide answers, explanations, or even complete assignments, some students may stop putting effort into thinking and learning on their own. For example, instead of trying to solve a maths problem step by step, students may immediately ask AI for the final answer. This can prevent them from developing problem-solving skills. In writing tasks, students might rely on AI to generate essays or summarize. Over time, they may struggle to express their own ideas or improve their language skills. When students face difficult questions, they may automatically turn to AI rather than asking teachers, discussing with classmates, or researching independently. This dependence can weaken important learning abilities such as critical thinking, creativity, and perseverance. Education is meant to train students to think, analyze, and make decisions. If AI becomes a shortcut for everything, students may succeed in completing tasks but fail to truly understand the lesson. AI can complete tasks quickly, but this may cause students to put in less effort, which leads to weaker understanding. Learning is not only about getting the correct answer, it is about the process of thinking, practicing, and improving skills. When AI does most of the work, students may miss that process. For example, a student might use AI to write an essay instantly. Although the essay may look good, the student may not understand the main ideas, vocabulary, or structure used in the writing. In subjects like mathematics or science, students may copy AI-generated solutions without learning the steps of reasoning behind them. This means they may struggle when facing similar questions in exams. Then, when students keep effort, they lose the chance to develop important skills such as analyzing information, forming opinions, and solving problems independently. As a result, students may achieve good grades in the short term, but their knowledge becomes shallow. They may not truly learn the content, and they may find it difficult to apply what they supposedly learn in real life situations or higher level studies.
I Also support the point that over-reliance on AI can harm student learning, critical thinking, problem solving and creativity develop best when students try to solve problems themselves instead of just taking AI generate answer. Thank you, Teacher Nazira. Mrs. Shasha, do you agree or do you think AI can sometimes enhance learning if used the right way?
Alright, for the question, one of the biggest concerns is critical thinking. If students rely too heavily on AI to give them answers, they might stop questioning, analyzing, or developing their own ideas. Education isn't just about finding the right answers. It's about learning how to think, how to argue, how to solve problems creatively. If AI becomes a shortcut, we risk losing that. Another risk is around independent learning. Part of growing as a student is struggling a little, figuring things out on your own, and building resilience. If AI is always there to provide instant solutions, students might miss out on that process of discovery. And that process is where real learning happens. There's also the issues of bias and misinformation. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. If teachers and students don't use them critically, there's the danger of reinforcing stereotypes or spreading inaccurate information. That's why teachers remain essential. They help students question, verify, and put information into context. So, yes, AI can be a powerful tool, but it has to be used responsibly. Teachers should encourage students to see AI as a support, not a replacement. Use it to spark ideas, to get feedback, to explore new perspectives, but always bring it back to human judgment, creativity, and reflection. At the end of the day, AI should make education richer, but easier in the wrong way. If we keep teachers at the center, guiding students to think for themselves, the AI becomes a partner in learning rather than a threat to it.
While I understand the concern that AI might reduce critical thinking, I think AI can sometimes enhance learning if used properly. Instant answer can help students explore new ideas, and with teacher guidance, they can still develop problem solving and analytic skills. Thanks again, Mr. Shasha, for your insight on balancing AI use with critical thinking. Next, let's discuss teacher. AI is a powerful tool, but do you think it could affect teacher role in the classroom? How might it change the responsibility or influence in the learning process? Teacher Nazira, we will start with you.
Thank you, Wafi, for the questions. One possible negative impact of AI in education is that teachers may be viewed as less important or less necessary because AI tools can provide instant explanations, generate notes, and even answer questions quickly. Some students and even schools might begin to believe that technology can replace the teacher's role. For example, students may think, why ask my teacher when AI can explain it faster? This mindset can reduce respect for teachers and weaken students' appreciation of the teaching profession. Schools might rely heavily on AI for lesson delivery or assessment, leading to the false assumption that teachers are only needed to supervise rather than to educate. However, this perception is dangerous because teachers offer much more than information. Teachers play a crucial role such as guiding students emotionally and morally, encouraging discipline and responsibility, motivating students to improve, understanding individual learning needs, and building strong human connections in the classroom. Other than that, one major concern about using AI in classroom is that teachers may lose control over what students are learning. Traditionally, teachers guide lessons using approved textbooks, syllabus, and carefully planned material. However, with AI, students can access information instantly from outside sources, which may not always match what teachers intend to teach. For example, AI may provide inaccurate or misleading information. Sometimes AI gives answers that sound confident but are actually wrong. If students trust AI without checking, they may learn incorrect facts. Content may not follow the Malaysian curriculum. AI tools are often designed globally, so the examples or explanations might not align with local subjects like SPM requirements or Malaysian history and values. Students may explore topics behind the teacher's lesson. While curiosity is good, it can also cause confusion if students learn advanced or unrelated content before understanding the basics. Teachers may struggle to monitor what students are using. In a classroom, it is difficult for teachers to constantly check whether students are learning from reliable sources or copying AI-generated answers.
While I understand the concern that AI might make teachers seem less important, I think AI can also support teachers rather than replace them. By handling repetitive tasks, teachers can focus more on mentoring and motivating students. Thank you, Teacher Nazila. Mr. Shasha, what's your view? And can AI elevate the role of teacher, or are there risks if school rely on it too heavily?
To it. So, when people ask me either AI will affect the role of teachers in the classrooms, my answer is always yes, but not in the way some might fear. AI is here to replace teachers, isn't here to reshape what teaching looks like. Think about it. A lot of teachers' time right now gets eaten up by administrative work like grading, paperwork, lesson planning. AI can take on those repetitive tasks, which means teachers get back the most precious resource of all time, which is time to connect with students, time to mentor, and time to inspire. AI also opens the door to personalized learning. Imagine a system that can track how each student is progressing, highlight where they are struggling, and suggest tailored resources. But here's the key: it's the teacher who interprets the data, who brings the human touch, who understands the cultural and emotional context of each child. AI can point the way, but teachers work alongside the student. And let's not forget about education is more than just knowledge transfer. It's about values, empathy, creativity, and critical thinking. These are things no algorithm can replicate. Teachers will become even more important as guides, helping students navigate a world where information is everywhere but wisdom is rare. So, in my view, AI doesn't reduce the importance of teachers, it elevates it. It shifts their role from routine tasks to higher level responsibilities, which is mentoring, facilitating, and shaping the next generation of thinkers and leaders. If I had to sum it up, I'd say this: AI is a powerful tool, but teachers are irreplaceable. The future classroom will be partnership with technology providing support and teachers providing the heart.
I
Alright,
partly agree the AI elevate teacher role, but there is a risk that school might rely on heavily on AI. Not all teachers may be full trained to use it effectively, and some students might depend on AI too much, which could limit the teacher influence in practice. Thank you, Mr. Shasha, for highlighting the risk and opportunity for teacher when integrating AI. Finally, let's talk about the responsible AI use. How can teachers use AI wisely to enhance learning without letting it replace their work? Teacher Nazira, uh, Teacher Nazira, we will start with you talk.
Thank you, Wafi, for the question. So, how AI can be used responsibly? First, AI should be seen as a tool that helps students and teachers rather than a substitute for their effort or guidance. Its purpose is to support learning, not to do entirely for the student. For example, in homework or assignments, students can use AI to get hints, explanations, or examples, but they should write their own answers and solve problem themselves. This ensures they truly understand the topic. Then, in classroom lessons, AI can provide extra exercises or interactive content, but the teacher still leads the lesson, explains difficult concepts, and answers questions based on students' needs. In revision, AI can generate practice quizzes or summarize, but students should study, think critically, and apply knowledge rather than just memorizing AI generated content. By using this way, it enhances learning without reducing the student's effort or the teacher's role. Students still develop critical thinking, creativity, and problem solving skills, while AI acts a helpful guide. Second, AI should complement, not replace, human teaching. While AI can provide interactive tools, practice exercises, and instant feedback, it cannot replace the guidance, motivation, and personal support the teachers provide. For example, class discussions. Teachers can use AI-generated examples to spark discussion, but students still need to engage with peers and explain their own ideas. Experiments and practical activities in science or art, AI can simulate experiments, but hands-on learning guided by a teacher helps students understand real-world applications. Then, AI can also highlight areas where a student struggles, but teachers can interpret this data and give advice or encouragement tailored to the student's needs. By blending AI with human teaching, students gain the best of both worlds: interactive and engaging tools, plus meaningful guidance, motivation, and support from teachers. Thank you. That's all from me.
I agree that AI should only be a supportive tool, but in some cases, if used properly, AI can actually help students learn faster and explore more resources. The key is balance, and teacher must guide students in using AI responsibly. Thank you, Teacher Nazira. Mrs. Shasha, what guideline or best practice would you suggest for responsible AI use in classroom?
Alright, so when we talk about AI in education, the big question is always how do we use it responsibly? Because AI is powerful, which is it can personalize learning, save teachers time, and open up new opportunities. But like any tool, it depends on how we use it. For me, the first guideline is balance. AI should support teachers, not replace them. That means using AI for things like grading, lesson planning, or tracking student progress, but leaving the human connection, which is the mentoring, the encouragement, the creativity in the hands of teachers. Second, we need transparency. Teachers and students should understand when AI is being used, what it's doing, and what its limits are. If an AI system suggests a learning path, the teacher should be able to explain why it's useful, and also when it might not fit a student's needs. Thirdly, there's equity and fairness. AI must be designed and applied in ways that don't disadvantage certain groups of students. Teachers play a critical role here. They are the ones who can spot the technology is missing the human context when a student needs more than just that data-driven feedback. And finally, I'd say professional judgment. Teachers should treat AI as an assistant, not an authority. It can provide insights, but the teacher decides how to use those insights in the classroom. That keeps the teacher at the center of the learning process. So, in short, responsible AI in education is about partnership. AI handles the heavy lifting on routine tasks, while teachers focus on what really matters, which is guiding, inspiring, and shaping the next generation. If we follow the principle, AI becomes a tool that strengthens the education, not one that undermines it. That's all.
I also fully support responsible AI use. AI should act as a partner, helping with routine tasks, while teachers remain in control. Transparency, fairness, and professional judgment are key to ensuring AI second education without replacing teacher. Thank you so much, Mrs. Sasha, for sharing your expert insight and practical guidance on responsible AI use. Wow, thank you so much to both Teacher Nazira and Mrs. Shasha for sharing such valuable insight today. From our discussion, it's clear that AI has tremendous potential to support learning, but it must be used responsibly. Teachers remain at the heart of education, guiding, motivating, and inspiring students. AI should be a tool that complement their work, not replace it. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this conversation give you some practical guidance on navigating AI in education. Do not forget to subscribe and join us next time for more insight.